Drone taxis, they are called basically eVTOLs, electric vertical takeoff landing devices. That technology is maturing globally, and it's a matter of, I would say, 4 or 5 years where this technology will actually come into deployment globally as well as we hope in India. So it's possible that there will be eVTOLs getting launched from airports which are far away from the city to the city, and we're looking at trying this out in Bangalore and in Bombay to start with.
So how
As of now,
important it is? How can this change the traffic mode?
I think this will be a new urban mobility device, and this is a technology which is evolving globally. In some places in Europe, trials have happened. There are heliports which are being created for this purpose, and we are also very keen to be abreast with international technological developments so that this kind of launches happen in India also.
So this kind of traffic does need low altitude traffic does need a new controller or separate technology or separate infrastructure.
Yes, there will have to be a unified air traffic management system. And these are very initial days. Nowhere in the world has this been done. We are trying to emerge as a leader globally in this space. And we are working on preparing this unified air traffic management guidelines.
So India will be the first country to start this.
No, we are keen to be at level with the world. So globally things are happening, and IIT Madras is working on a product to develop such a air drone taxi.